Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. When you're cruising down the road, the last thing you want is a sudden electrical glitch in your car. The culprit? A blown fuse. These tiny devices play a crucial role in keeping your vehicle's electrical systems running smoothly. Knowing how to find and replace a blown fuse can save you time and money by avoiding unnecessary trips to the mechanic. A blown fuse can lead to various electrical issues in your car, from a malfunctioning radio to a dead power window. But fear not. With a little know-how and the right tools, you can easily tackle this common car maintenance task yourself. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to locate and swap out a blown fuse in your vehicle. Stay tuned as we dive into the nitty-gritty of fuse replacement, empowering you to take charge of your car's electrical woes. With our expert tips, you'll be back on the road in no time, all without breaking a sweat. Locating the fuse box. Knowing how to locate the fuse box in your car is crucial for troubleshooting electrical issues. Here's a breakdown to help you understand its layout and how to identify it in your vehicle. Understand the fuse box layout. The fuse box in a car is typically a small, rectangular box containing multiple fuses. These fuses are designed to protect various electrical components in the vehicle by breaking the circuit when a surge occurs. They come in different types, such as blade, glass tube, and ceramic fuses, each serving a specific purpose and amperage rating. To comprehend the fuse box layout, it's essential to recognize the amperage and purpose of each fuse. The amperage rating is crucial as using the wrong fuse can lead to electrical malfunctions or even a potential fire hazard. Refer to the fuse box cover or the owner's manual to determine which fuse corresponds to which component in your car. Checking the owner's manual. Consulting your car's owner's manual is key to finding the fuse box and understanding the specific fuse layout tailored to your vehicle model. The owner's manual provides detailed information on the location of the fuse box, including diagrams or illustrations to pinpoint its exact position. In the manual, you'll find a comprehensive guide on the function of each fuse and its amperage rating, allowing you to troubleshoot any electrical issues effectively. By following the instructions laid out in the manual, you'll be equipped with the knowledge needed to navigate the fuse box confidently and accurately address any blown fuses. Remember, fuse boxes are commonly located under the dashboard on the driver's side or in the engine compartment. Familiarizing yourself with the layout and content of the fuse box will empower you to handle electrical problems swiftly and efficiently. Identifying a blown fuse. When dealing with electrical issues in your car, identifying a blown fuse is a crucial step in troubleshooting. There are reliable methods available to determine if a fuse is faulty, ensuring a quick and accurate diagnosis. Using a fuse tester. A fuse tester is a handy tool that simplifies the process of identifying a blown fuse without the need for individual visual inspection. To use a fuse tester, start by selecting the appropriate testing range on the device. Then, with the car's ignition off, insert the fuse tester into the fuse slot. If the fuse is intact, the tester will light up, confirming its functionality. This method offers convenience and precision, saving time and effort. Visual inspection method. For those without a fuse tester, the visual inspection method is a reliable way to identify a blown fuse. Begin by locating the fuse box in your car, usually found under the dashboard or in the engine compartment. Carefully remove the suspect fuse and visually inspect it for signs of damage. Look for a broken filament or discoloration, indicating a blown fuse. Remember to handle fuses with caution to avoid electrical accidents. By checking all fuses using the visual inspection method or a fuse tester, you can ensure that any electrical issues in your car are promptly addressed, keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Replacing a blown fuse. In your car, a blown fuse can disrupt vital electrical functions. To get your vehicle up and running again, you'll need to replace the blown fuse. Here's how you can safely tackle this task. Selecting the correct replacement fuse. When it comes to selecting a replacement fuse for your vehicle, the amperage rating is crucial. Always choose a fuse with the same amperage rating as the blown fuse. Using a fuse with a higher rating can pose a serious risk of electrical problems in your car. Be mindful of this important detail to avoid potential damage to your vehicle's electrical system. As we conclude the first part of our two-part series on finding and replacing a blown car fuse, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue the step-by-step guide and share additional tips for a successful fuse replacement. Until then, may you continue to explore, learn, and DIY with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.